दिल्ली का सेकंड सीरोलॉजिकल सर्वे ये इंडिकेट करता है कि सिटी के 58 लाख पीपल ऑफ 2 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन हैव ऑलरेडी बीन एक्सपोज्ड टू कोविड-19 एंड दे हैव डेवलप्ड एंटीबॉडीज। वाओ, isn't that a huge figure? तो अब क्या करें? Chill? No. The danger is far from over. This survey was conducted between August 1st and 7th and had 15,000 volunteers. Of these, 29.1% people had COVID-19 specific antibodies. इसका सबसे पहले तो क्लियर मतलब ये है कि ऑफिशियल फिगर्स और रियलिटी में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है। पिछले महीने जब ये सर्वे कंडक्ट हुआ था तो ये फिगर 23% के आसपास था। एंड नॉट जस्ट दिल्ली, सिमिलर सर्वेस आर बीइंग कंडक्टेड इन मेनी अदर सिटीज एज वेल। पर ये सीरो सर्वे होता क्या है? व्हाई एंड हाउ इज इट डन? व्हाट डज दिस टेल अस अबाउट द स्प्रेड ऑफ द इन्फेक्शन and what is good and bad news in this? Let us answer all these questions one by one. A serological survey is conducted to know the prevalence of a disease in a population. And how is that done? The test in this survey detect the specific antibodies against the disease. For this, blood is taken and is tested for antibodies. इन antibodies को हम बोलते हैं IgG antibodies. यानी कि सीधा मतलब ये है, अगर आपके पास ये स्पेसिफिक IgG एंटीबॉडीज हैं तो आप ऑलरेडी कोविड-19 को एक्सपोज हो चुके हो और रिकवर हो चुके हो। इफ नॉट, यू आर स्टिल वल्नरेबल। सो सिंपल, राइट? नाउ व्हाई इज इट डन? ये सर्वे इसलिए किया जाता है ताकि ये पता चले कि एक पॉपुलेशन में ये बीमारी कितनी फैल चुकी है। It is specifically helpful when the population is large but testing is low. It is done for surveillance purposes. और इसके रिजल्ट्स हमें ये बताते हैं कि इस डिजीज से लड़ने के लिए हमारी आगे की स्ट्रैटेजी कैसी होनी चाहिए। Now, what does this survey tell us about the COVID-19 situation in Delhi? First of all, it tells us that nearly 70% of population in Delhi is still vulnerable to COVID-19. They haven't been exposed to COVID-19 and they can still be infected. The second takeaway is that it tells us that we have not achieved the herd immunity, but we are close. Herd immunity means that when a certain percentage of population develops immunity against the disease, the chain of transmission slows down or it may even stop. अब दिल्ली में herd immunity के लिए एक specific threshold क्या है इस पर तो clarity नहीं है, but हाँ, the slowing down of infection tells us that we may be close. The third point is actually bad news. इस सर्वे से clearly हमें ये पता चलता है कि we are not testing enough. For example, Delhi's official figures say that nearly 1,57,000 people have been tested positive for COVID-19. But if we extrapolate its own survey, it tells us that maybe 58 lakh people have already been exposed to COVID-19 and they have developed antibodies. यानी कि official figures में और reality में बहुत बड़ा झोल हो सकता है. The fourth and the big finding is that we still cannot relax. माना कि we all are bored of COVID-19. But the fact that 70% of population is still vulnerable to COVID-19, it tells us that we need to continue our preventive and containment measures as much as possible. तो ये रिजल्ट सुनकर वुहान की तरह पार्टी मत करना शुरू हो जाना, अभी बहुत टाइम है। Delhi is not the only place where this survey was conducted. Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Pune are among the cities where these surveys have been conducted. In Pune, this survey was conducted in highly infected areas. It showed that more than 51% had presence of COVID-19 specific antibodies. In Mumbai, 57% of residents in slums had developed antibodies as compared to only 16% of those who live in residential societies. And in Ahmedabad, this figure was 17.61% for the entire city. तो आपको अब समझ में आया कि why is it so important to conduct these surveys? It tells us that this pandemic is far from over. We actually need to test a lot, take a lot of precautions to actually defeat this virus. The same survey will be conducted in many other Indian cities in future to help us in strategizing against this pandemic. That's all for now. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.